Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a product that has been making waves in the weight loss industry. It's called Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, and it claims to help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall health. But is it really worth it? And how does it work? In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions and more, based on my own experience and research. I'll also share with you a special link where you can get a discount on this product if you decide to try it out. So stay tuned and let's get started. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a powdered supplement that you can mix with water or your favorite beverage and drink as a breakfast juice in the mornings. It's based on the diets of one of the healthiest, longest living communities in the world, the people of Ikaria, Greece. They have a low rate of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses, and they live longer than most people on the planet. The secret behind their longevity and vitality is their consumption of certain foods and drinks that are rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, probiotics, and other nutrients that support their metabolism and immune system. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains some of these ingredients, such as pomegranate, blueberry, cranberry, grape seed extract, green tea extract, ginger root extract, and more. These ingredients help to flush out harmful toxins from your body, especially ceramides, which are compounds that clog your cells and prevent them from burning fat. By eliminating ceramides and other toxins, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice helps you to lose weight, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall health. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works by targeting the root cause of stubborn fat accumulation, ceramides. Ceramides are compounds that are produced by your body when you eat processed foods, sugar, or unhealthy fats. They act like glue that sticks to your cells and blocks them from using glucose for energy. Instead of burning glucose, your cells store it as fat, leading to weight gain and metabolic problems. Ceramides also cause inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, which can damage your organs and tissues and increase your risk of chronic diseases. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains powerful antioxidants and polyphenols that can neutralize ceramides and other toxins in your body. These substances also stimulate your metabolism and enhance your fat-burning capacity. By drinking Ikaria Lean Belly Juice every morning, you can cleanse your body from within and turn it into a fat-burning furnace. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice has many benefits for your health and well-being. Some of them are: it helps you lose weight naturally and safely by boosting your metabolism and burning fat. It improves your digestion and gut health by providing probiotics and fiber. It lowers your blood pressure and cholesterol levels by improving your blood circulation and reducing inflammation. It controls your blood sugar levels and prevents insulin resistance by regulating your glucose uptake. It enhances your immune system and protects you from infections by strengthening your natural defenses. It improves your mood and cognitive function by increasing your serotonin and dopamine levels. It rejuvenates your skin and hair by providing antioxidants and vitamins. It increases your lifespan and quality of life by mimicking the effects of calorie restriction. Using Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is very easy and convenient. All you need to do is take 1 scoop of the powder and mix it with 8 ounces of water or any other beverage of your choice. You can also add ice cubes or fruits for extra flavor. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. Enjoy the refreshing taste and the health benefits throughout the day. That's it. No need for complicated diets or exercise routines. Just 1 glass of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice every day can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey and your overall health. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is very affordable and worth every penny. 1 jar of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains 30 servings, which is enough for 1 month of use. The regular price of 1 jar is $69, but if you order today through the link in the description, you can get a special discount and pay only $49 per jar. That's a savings of $20. But wait, there's more. If you order more than one jar, you can get even more discounts and free shipping. Here are the options. If you order 3 jars, you can get them for $39 each, plus free shipping. That's a total of $117, saving you $90. If you order 6 jars, you can get them for $29 each, plus free shipping. That's a total of $174, saving you $240. These are amazing deals that you don't want to miss. But hurry, because they are only available for a limited time and while supplies last. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a high-quality product that has been tested and proven to work for thousands of satisfied customers. However, if for any reason you are not happy with your purchase, you can return it within 180 days and get a full refund. That's right, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee that covers your entire order. No questions asked, no hassle, no risk. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain by trying Ikaria Lean Belly Juice today. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a revolutionary product that can help you lose weight, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall health. It's based on the diets of the people of Ikaria, Greece, who are known for their longevity and vitality. It contains natural ingredients that can flush out toxins from your body, especially ceramides, which are the root cause of stubborn fat accumulation. By drinking Ikaria Lean Belly Juice every morning, you can cleanse your body from within and turn it into a fat-burning furnace. You can also enjoy other benefits such as better digestion, lower blood pressure, improved blood sugar levels, enhanced immune system, improved mood and cognition, rejuvenated skin and hair, and increased lifespan and quality of life. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is easy to use, affordable, and risk-free. You can order it today through the link in the description and get a special discount and free shipping. You can also take advantage of the 180-day money-back guarantee that covers your entire order. This is a limited-time offer that you don't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and order your Ikaria Lean Belly Juice today and start enjoying the benefits tomorrow.